to the Money Mastery workshop because I need to understand my relationship with money. Since I've been seeing Simone, I think that my relationship with money has definitely improved and I'm feeling a lot more abundant, but I don't feel like I'm putting my money in the right places now. I also noticed that I have some limiting beliefs because of my parents, and I've noticed myself take behaviors from my father that is reflecting in my relationship when it comes to money, and I do want to figure that out and heal it. My takeaway is that my money story is important and I need to understand it to understand where it's limiting me. So just check in every now and then to see that I'm not being impacted by these wounds, because they do come up sometimes. You feel like you may have healed it, but certain things may bubble up that you haven't really dealt with, and that's a key point there. Then the next one is to practice gratitude and send and receive your money with good energy. The next one is do the monthly exercise to know the status, so lifestyle audits. And lastly was education. Educating ourselves is going to empower us. So education is empowerment.
Did you love that testimonial? You know, there's some key points that I would love to highlight to you, because being a workshop facilitator, having coached Francesca, it is so beautiful to watch someone evolve in every area of their life. And we see how her journey, much like yours, starts the same way. We realize that our relationship with money, we become aware that it's not as good as it could be. That perhaps the way our parents treated money, the way we saw them managing money, is the way we're doing it now. And it might even be playing out in the power dynamics of your romantic relationship. Are you finding that? Are you having expectations? Are you feeling bitter about supporting your spouse? Do you earn more than they do? Do you feel like you can't have all the things you want because you're always paying bills? Do you feel stingy with money? Is that what your parents did? Do you feel withholding of money? Do you feel resentful and begrudging? Or do you see that you've got your parents' money pattern? Maybe you had a mom who always spent on the kids and never herself, so you now don't feel deserving of your own money. Now, I love what she starts to say about being so aware that your old wounds are not bubbling to the surface, that those wounds could be the reason why your money situation is not working. So what you think is the problem is not actually the problem. It could just be something in your past that you've become unaware of. I love her practice of gratitude, that lack and limitation comes from focusing on what's not there. Gratitude focuses on what is there. And when we focus on that, all of a sudden we start to feel fuller, richer. Our problems tend to diminish. She also mentioned having good energy, paying your bills and receiving money with good energy. How many of you feel as though you only feel good, i.e. relieved, when money comes in, and then feel so upset, resentful, and fearful when money goes out? You want to have good energy in both ways, spending and receiving, so that your money can be happy and it can flow in your life. And at the Money Mastery Workshop, we teach you a tool for that. And I love at the end, the ultimate accountability, action, a lifestyle audit, regularly pulling out the bank statement saying, where am I spending? Why do I keep buying coffees? Why am I buying bottled water? Why do I keep going to the garage to buy snacks? These are all ways I'm wasting money. Perhaps there's debit orders going off your account for subscriptions to things you don't even use. There's so much money you actually have access to if you just know where it goes. So here's your special invitation. If you loved it, join us for the June Money Mastery Workshop happening Saturday, the 29th of June, full day workshop in Johannesburg, South Africa. Email us if you want one of the 4 spots, or perhaps you and your friends and your family want to take all 4, you can, at info@on-purpose.co.za. Money isn't scary. It's a topic we just need to be educated on. And I've been doing this since 2018 for so many clients, and I can't wait to do it for you. Namaste, everyone. May you and your money always be blessed.